If you're getting an Epic Games login error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to troubleshoot it step by step on Windows. Most Epic login problems come from one of two things. Either Epic servers are having a temporary issue, or your connection is being blocked by something like a VPN or proxy. So before you keep retrying your password over and over, let's check the simple fixes first. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming troubleshooting guides. First, open your browser and go to status.epicgames.com. This is the official Epic Games server status page, and it's the best place to start because if the services are down, the problem is not on your device. On the status page, look for things like Epic Games Store or Epic Online Services. If you see messages such as under maintenance or degraded performance, that means Epic is already aware of the issue and you'll need to wait until they restore service. In that case, there is nothing on your end that will fully fix the login error until the servers come back online. If the status page looks normal, then the next thing to check is your VPN or proxy. Epic Games often blocks logins from certain VPN IP addresses because they can look suspicious or trigger security protection. So if you use a VPN, disconnect it completely before launching Epic Games again. If you have a proxy enabled on your computer, turn that off as well. Then close the Epic Games launcher fully, reopen it, and try signing in again. A lot of the time, just disabling the VPN or proxy instantly fixes the login problem. If you're still having trouble, make sure your internet connection is stable and that you are not switching networks during login. It also helps to restart the launcher after making changes so it can load a fresh connection. Another good habit is to wait a few minutes and try again if you are getting repeated error messages, since temporary session issues can sometimes clear themselves. The key here is to test the most common causes first, server status, then VPN or proxy, and then retry the login on a clean connection. That approach saves time and helps you avoid unnecessary steps. So to quickly recap, check whether Epic's servers are online at status.epicgames.com. Disconnect any VPN or proxy and then open the launcher again and sign in normally. If the servers are down, you'll need to wait. If your VPN was the issue, removing it should resolve the login error right away. I hope this guide helped you fix the Epic Games login error. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Epic Games troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.